Barça! Barça! Barça!
Hey guys, today I have an unboxing video for you. This is a NikeID soccer shoes that I ordered a couple of weeks ago. It just arrived today. So I'm just gonna make this very short video, unboxing video for you. The real purpose of this unboxing video is just to share with you guys the result of NikeID when you customize it. That sometimes the color that you get on the NikeID websites, most often than not, will not be this the same that you expect the colors to be. So I'm just gonna share with you my experience of that and my opinion of the result of the customization. So this is the box, the only box that inside the shipping box. Very plain and minimalistic design. There's the black box with Nike swoosh, NikeID.com, the swoosh, and another swoosh, and on the bottom just the information of Nike company. So let's unbox this now. Okay, so you get this is what you get. The same bag that you'll get when you on the inside the first colorway of Hypervenom Phantom. And this is a Hypervenom Phantom. Sorry, I didn't mention it earlier. So this is the Hypervenom Phantom AG. As you can see on the studs here, it's a short and more studs compared to firm ground or soft ground. As you can see, there's a artificial grass here. So let's take the shoes out of the box. Alright, so as you can see here, this is the colors that I chose on these shoes are basically the colors of my favorite soccer club, Barcelona. So I just call this a Blaugrana colorway, although Nike didn't officially set the name of the colorway. But the only colors that you see here are the only major colors that you'll see here are red and blue. So alright, so the specific name of this colors on the NikeID website will be University Red, and the blue color will be Treasure Blue. Treasure Blue, yeah. And also that's my middle name here, Spain flag. Although because Barcelona is in Spain, although some will argue that it should be Catalonia, but I don't want to get into that. This is my favorite number. So that's the only thing inside here. So let's go to close up.
Just can't keep up with the space in between us. I'm running and jumping to try and close the distance. I'm building a rocket, it's falling in pieces.
Also, just for comparison, just to see how these colors compare to the real Blaugrana colors, I have a Barcelona jersey here. Right there. So compared to the real Blaugrana, the shoes is much more bright than the Blaugrana. So there it is. So GMI, I think it's alright. It's obviously it's not what I expected. It's more, the blue is more lighter, the red is more almost to orange, to be honest with you. But I can't complain actually. It's really good. If you don't put it next to the Barcelona jersey, people obviously will relate this to Barcelona colors. So that's it for this unboxing and short review. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys like it, and see you on the next video. Bye.